Hello, hello, everyone, and welcome to Losers Become Winners for February 19th, 2020. ATVI, the game Blizzard, takes the lead and gets an LBL at the same time. Let's go look at that chart. There it is. And they owe us 1081. Remember, we took a small loss on them about a week ago, and now we're back in the game. And they earned their last bar low because they're over the 30% mark. Hey, that's cool. It's only $120, but it's only on one contract. If we had 10 contracts, it would have been $1,200, and that would have been wiped out. But we didn't have enough buying power at the time that they became available. But rocks become pebbles, pebbles become profit, profit pays back. That said, let's go on now to QQQ. And what's really cool about QQQ is this. Let's zoom in there because this is exciting. QQQ owes us 585. Recall, if you go back and look for the QQQ video, it came out with an exit with a profit, but did not have enough to overcome the $988 it owed. It got down to 585, and now we're at 631 with 3 contracts in play. We are 26%, 20 points, almost 27%. But that is in the profit zone. So we got a day traders. Come on, guys. Who knows the answer? Who knows the answer? Those who've been with me for a while know the answer, right? And the answer is day traders exit. That's right. We got a day trader. Boom. So we're here, and the 631 is sitting here. We got to get a little bit more up here, and then we can get out of this trade and get back to 585. And then the QQQs will get retired to the winner's circle. That said, let's go on to XLV. Now, XLV, recall, XLV is playing for a dead loss leader. For those who are just tuning in, so there are a lot. We had a lot of distribution today on our handouts. What is a dead loss leader? Well, I took a chance on penny stocks. I tried to get into penny stocks a few years ago, and LIFS was one of those that came across my radar. And the end result was I ended up losing several $100s. And if you go back again and look for exits on LIFF, we got all of it but $3. $3. And also remember, we had this trade happening back here, and I failed to do a proper setup on a proper stop, and the end result was I lost $1,000. No big deal. Why? XLV owes $1,000. They're on the losers list in their own slot, number 18 last count. LIFS is still at the top, and look at this. We are at 17% at 564. We got to move again. Now you know the answer from the previous, from ATV, from QQQ. We got a day trippers exit right there. We got a nice little day trippers exit right there, and we're now waiting on to get that $3. We get out anything over $3 is pure profit. All right. Then the rest of the field. XLC just joined us, BRM, and then PGR in the backfield. Let it go. All right, moving over now to the Tigers. Look at this. Finally, Coca-Cola has been able to hang on and get a nice little position. And let me zoom in there. And let's get a little tighter. And what do we get? Now, here's something I really want to point out to you guys. You see the stock. Okay, let me see. Am I missing? Oh, we're here. We're here. All right. Now, I want to show you something that's really, it doesn't happen often, but it did today and it worked. Does anybody see a day trippers exit here? Well, if you're like this, you don't. But if you stretch it out, you see something, and then when you check your marker says, oh, the bounded down is 59.45, 59.47. By 2 pennies, disqualified as a day tripper's exit. We are in profit zone of 6%. Bada boom, we set it up. And this has been a little bit of a jalopy, has not been making a lot of money for us as of yet. It still owes us 320. If it doesn't happen, at least we get out with our trading capital and get back into the game. Remember, this is the best video game there is. You're paid in dollars. Dollars are your points. But if you have no points, you cannot play. So you have to protect that trading capital getting into the trade and then sweep the profit off the table when it comes to you. USO got triggered today. Finally, not there. So that really takes us right back to where we started from with ATVI right there at the 35%. And with that, we're going to conclude tonight's report for losers become winners for February 19th, 2020. And I thank you for stopping by, checking it out, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Bye-bye.